Hi, friends. It's time for small groups, and today we're going to talk about rhyming words, okay? And I want you to remember rhyming words are words that sound alike at the end. So I'm going to go over the words that we're going to talk about, and then we're going to play our game or sing our song, okay? All right. So here we have a goat and a boat. Goat and boat are rhyming words. They sound alike at the end. Here we have a boulder and a shoulder. Boulder and shoulder are rhyming words. They sound alike at the end. And here we have a ball. And if you notice, there's nothing there because at the end of the game, you're going to come up with the word that rhymes with ball. So I want you to think about it, keep it in your mind, and when we finish singing the song, I want you to text Miss Charles a word that rhymes with ball, okay? So I'm going to use a word. If it was me, I would say ball and tall. Tall and ball rhyme. You can't use the word tall. You have to think of another word that rhymes with ball, okay? So after you're done watching this video, I want you to text Miss Charles a word that you thought of that rhymes with ball. All right, friends, here we go. The name of the game is Ticky Ricky, and we've sang this before actually in class, okay? So here we go. Ticky Ricky Tacky Chicky Chacky Chew. I like finding words that rhyme. How about you? Boat and goat, boat and goat. Boat and goat are rhyming words. Ticky Ricky Tacky Ticky Chacky Chew. I like finding words that rhyme. How about you? Boulder, shoulder, boulder, shoulder. Boulder, shoulder are rhyming words. Ticky, ricky, tacky, ticky, shacky, too. I like finding words that rhyme. How about you? Ball and ball and ball and are rhyming words. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed our song. And remember to text Miss Charles the word that you thought of that rhymes with ball. Or you can send me a video message on Duo. Send me a video message that tells me, and you can tell me, Miss Charles, I know a word that rhymes with ball. That word is, and you tell me what it is, okay? All right, friends, I'll see you next time. Bye.